Creating viral reels and shorts as a beginner can feel overwhelming, but Filmora's ad templates and AI smart short clips are designed to do the heavy lifting for you. Here is a friendly, step-by-step guide to making professional, high-engagement short-form videos in minutes. Method 1, the instant viral way, using AI smart short clips. If you already have a longer video, like a vlog, interview, or product demo, and want to turn it into 5 to 10 viral shorts automatically, 1. Open Filmora 15 and select Smart Short Clips from the Startup menu. 2. Upload your file, or paste a YouTube link. 3. Let AI analyze *. The AI will scan your video for hook moments, high-energy speech, and visual transitions. 4. Pick your template *. Once analyzed, Filmora will show you several 30 to 60-second clips. Choose a social media template, like trendy, minimalist, or tech, to apply pre-made captions and music. 5. Export *. Click export and send it directly to your phone or upload to YouTube/TikTok. Method 2, the Pro Ad Way, using pre-made templates. Use this if you want to build a high-quality reel/short from scratch using photos or clips of your product or lifestyle. Step 1, choose the right aspect ratio *. Before starting, set your project aspect ratio to 9:16, vertical. This is the native size for reels, shorts, and TikToks. Step 2, find the template tab. * Go to the templates icon on the top left. * Search for keywords like marketing, sale, travel, or food. * Newbie tip * Look for templates marked as trending. These use transitions and beats that are currently popular on social media algorithms. Step 3, replace with your own footage * Drag the template onto your timeline. * You will see placeholder clips. Simply drag your own video or photo over the placeholder, and Filmora will ask if you want to replace. * It will automatically trim your clip to fit the perfect timing of the music beat. Step 4, customize your text and CTA. * Click on the text boxes in the template to change the words. * The hook * Make sure the first 3 seconds of text are a hook, example 3 secret tips for. Or you won't believe this. * The CTA * Add an animated link in bio or follow for more sticker from the stickers library. Final tip, don't worry about being perfect. The beauty of Filmora's ad templates is that they are already timed to high-energy music. Just swap in your clips, change the text to match your brand, and hit export.